Good morning and welcome back to a new fresh fun-filled vlog. I hope you guys are rocking your day. And if you guys noticed, the video quality is completely different because I'm vlogging on my grandmom's phone, which is a Moto G6. So yeah, this is my grandmom's phone, and the reason why I'm not vlogging in my phone is really bad, and something bad happened to my phone. And anyways, it's fine. The best part and why you see me so smiling in this vlog is that because today is the 30th daily vlog and I've completely achieved my goal. My goal was to complete 30 daily vlogs in 30 days. So yeah, I've done that, and yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really satisfied. But I've got more to achieve. So yeah, I will do that. And okay, now I'll just flip the camera and I'll show you what has happened to my phone and how's its condition right now. Okay, if you guys can see the condition, this green part, this green, this is all tapes, and yeah, it's all tape, and you can see the phone is completely cracked. If I can try focusing, yeah, you can see that, and that's the condition of my phone. uh, and if I turn on the display, you'll be completely shocked. And just look at this, it has become like this, and this part of the display, I'll just focus again. Yeah, this part of the display is completely gone. This part, only this much is left and this much is gone. So yeah, all right. The reason why my phone became like this is there were very mild cracks before because my phone fell, and that was absolutely a mistake, which I won't repeat hereafter. So, anyways, the phone is gone and it's fine. It's working properly now, but this side of the screen, the black part, is not left. I mean, it doesn't work, and even the display doesn't work. Even the touch doesn't work at that spot, that area, and that's absolutely fine. That's not a problem. This is the 30th daily vlog. I'm really happy for that. So yeah, I have achieved my goal. That's enough, and uh, this is just a speed breaker. It's not the whole road. It's just a speed breaker, which is bad. The other part of the road is still good, so everything is good. Anyways, let's leave that. Let's go and have breakfast. Alright, I have oiled my hair right now because you guys already know, I've told in many other blogs also that I want to grow my hair. There's no reason as such, but yeah, I want to see how it will look on me, and I want to try man bun. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm growing my hair. And coming to today's 38 daily vlog, I had so many plans of continuing this and at least making 50 daily vlogs. But I don't think I'll be doing that because of this. That's absolutely fine. I can't do anything. I don't have any other devices also. I have many devices. My parents have given me freedom to many devices like this phone. Yeah, this phone, and I have this one tab, and then I have one more tab here. I have this AirPod. Then I have this laptop. But that's not the thing. I can't vlog with any of those. I only could vlog with this. But anyways, it's fine. Let's see whenever I get a phone or whenever I get this repaired or whatever, I will surely vlog. And yeah, don't unsubscribe or do anything like that because I will come back very soon. In another 1 day or 2 days itself, I'll just take a break and I'll come back. Maybe I'll use my grandmom's phone itself. It's good enough. It's really good and nothing else. Now I've oiled my hair, so yeah, I'll go take bath. Okay, guys, I've taken head bath and I put this band. First time I'm trying this. I know it doesn't look really great, but yeah, it holds my hair back and it stops my hair from falling here and there. And yeah, this looks a bit decent and nothing else. Somewhere inside, I feel sad that my phone is no more, and yeah, it's the side only here. I removed the tapes because I didn't want to take any risk. Now, yeah, the condition of the phone is really bad. Uh, doesn't matter. I have my tab. I have put some data in my tab because I had some important data and other stuff. So it's on my tab right now. Yeah, I'm really happy I could finish 30 daily vlogs, and there was no problem in making 30 daily vlogs. I only faced problem today at the last daily vlog. Maybe this is a challenge by God. Yeah, he thought that I'll give up, but I proved him wrong. If he thought like that, whatever. So yeah, now I have plans of going out, just to play or something. Let's see if I'll go out. Most probably I will, in case my friend comes. If he doesn't, I won't be going out. Also, yeah, in the morning I finish my workout. So yeah, workout in the morning. So what I did was I did jog for 1 hour, which is from 7 to 8. I did jog 8 to 9. I did workout. So yeah, completed workout and jog both completed, and that will be the routine that I will follow from now, and nothing else. Life's good. So yeah, now I will take some rest because it's afternoon. I'm feeling a bit sleepy. I will sleep for some time and then yeah, I'll get back to you guys. I thought I'll sleep, but then I don't know. I don't sleep in afternoon, so I didn't sleep now. Also, I was just reading this book. This one, my parents suggested this, so yeah, I was reading this, and I finished reading. Now the time is, wow, I can't even see the time in this old broken phone. So, anyways, I think the time is 3:30. No, it's 4:30. Yeah, it's 4:30 now, and the problem which I'm facing right now is how I will edit the vlog. Edit this vlog. Somehow I managed. Oh shit. Yeah, somehow I managed to shoot this vlog on my grandmom's phone because I had her phone. But my intro, my outro, my editing premium software is all in this phone, and I'm unable to record the data because the display isn't working. I can't even touch and I can't do anything. So I think my intro will be different in this vlog. In case it's same, I would have recovered it, or I would have just made a duplicate of it. So yeah, that's the problem which I'm facing. I just wish I get my premium account back, and in case I do, it'll be really great. Let's see whatever happens. I'll update you guys. All right. So I've got my third meal, or you can say dinner, basically. So yeah, I have proper high protein roti with curd, and this is for dinner, or say third meal. And yeah, I was telling right. So my phone is no more, and I just kept it somewhere inside. I put it in some storage drawer. And coming to how I'll edit this vlog, which you guys are seeing, I have switched to my tab. I put my SIM in the tab, and all the OTPs are coming. So yeah, I can log into my premium editing app. That's not a problem. So yeah, I can edit this. I'm shooting on my grandmom's phone, so I'll transfer the video, all the clips, all the data from WhatsApp, or not WhatsApp mostly. I will use the premium editing app only to transfer, or I'll mail it or something. I'll do like that so that the quality of the video doesn't drop. I've heard that by many people that when you share photos or videos from WhatsApp, the quality drops. I've not seen it practically, but let's see. I'll transfer it somehow and I'll edit it. So yeah, it's a happy moment. I've completed 30 daily vlogs, youngest vlogger to complete 30 daily vlogs. So yeah, big thumbs up, and I'm really proud. Though there were not great vlogs, but yeah, hard work was too much. I know how much hard work I did. I lost my sleep and I edited vlogs. I put you guys might seem it like you might like not feel it deserves so much hard work, but there is a lot of hard work to even provide you this quality of video. So yeah, hard work is there. And coming to if I will be vlogging more in future, yeah, I will. You heard me correct. I will vlog. I won't stop vlogging because I have passion towards it. I don't want anything from vlogging, but I want to vlog. So that's the thing, and I will vlog very soon. I won't continue this daily vlog. I'll stop it at 30 for now. I will continue later. I'll start from starting and then full tabai content. And for now, I'll just take a small break because I don't have my phone, and vlogging is getting a bit tough now because this is my grandmom's phone. My brother he uses it for gaming, to play that new game. What is it called? Some BGMI, some BGIM, something, that Battleground India Mobile, whatever. PUBG, basically a Desi version. So yeah, he plays that, and my grandmom also uses this phone. So I don't want to get this phone on a lot of load, and it's a space issue to come. Though this is really, it has a lot of space. It has 64 GB, which is sufficient for my grandmom. So yeah, I don't want to stress this phone up. I'll just leave it for them both. I will vlog very soon. I'm having some plans. You guys will get to know in future vlogs. It's a surprise. So yeah, I'll end this vlog here itself. Thank you so much for supporting me in all 30 daily vlogs. I hardly got any dislikes, and I'm really grateful for that. Yeah, in few videos I've got one or two dislikes, but that's absolutely fine. Yeah, some people won't like it, some people want to hate, so yeah, they will dislike. Anyways, that's not a problem. I'm really happy I completed, and thanks for the support. I have got even 5 likes, even 2 likes is a lot for me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon in the next video, which is going to come very very soon. So yeah, uh, thank you for watching. Stay safe, keep rocking. Bye.